Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the same thing that I do always, a question you're going to ask in your mind and I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. Please do excuse the sound that is coming from behind because the gym is on. I'm trying to record a video in the daylight because I've not been keeping well. So I haven't been really regular with the videos and nor am I coming on live chats. I'll be coming there soon, maybe the next week. So, continuing with the reading, we have new cards, Angel Unicorn cards. They're very, very beautiful. I'm going to be doing a reading today only of angel messages to you. Answer a yes or a no. Just ask a question in your mind, and I'll be telling you what the angels are advising to you and what life path you are at and what you should be concentrating on. So the choices we have right in front of you, we have 3 pyramid crystals. First is tourmaline, the second is sunstone, and the third is labradorite. So I'll give you guys a moment to choose and we shall begin. If you'd like to take a moment to choose the crystal, you can pause the video and select as you please. Let's begin with the first group of people who have chosen black tourmaline as their choice of crystal. Please put a question in your mind to which your answer is. Your answer is a no. You've been going ahead with a lot of love. You were thinking that things are under your control and you had high expectations, but you're somewhere stuck. You have it all, but you are somewhere stuck. The answer is coming a no for now. I'm sorry. Let's see what the angels have to say for you. Wow. Your angel message is closeness. It's written your unicorn is very close to you. Unicorns basically are, they say, a mythical creature, but this is somewhere close to the angels as well. They give us nice indications in the universe. So here the cards are like this. So closeness talks about, it just simply says you're very close to your destination. Don't give up right now. Just keep moving ahead with all the energy that you have, whatever you're putting in. It will not go waste, but you're very sure. You can be sure that you will get to the destination soon. You're soon going to reach there. So that's why the card has come closeness. And the angels are near you. They are close to you and they are hearing you. And they will let you achieve your target. Okay. Next message from the angels is there is something better for you. It doesn't mean that, that's why the card closeness will also come probably, that you are almost there. You're thinking that this is where I have to stop. But probably the angels are trying to tell you, you still have to go, 5 more steps or 10 more steps ahead because there's something better I have kept for you. Next, what the angels are trying to tell you is that it's now time to concentrate on your dietary change. Now, I've always explained this card in a way that dietary change doesn't only mean your physical diet. Your internal diet is also what is important here. Your dietary change of your soul is also important. The way you think about things, the way you think about your goals, the way your intentions are set, detoxify your body. Obviously, that helps. And then detoxify your mind as well. This is it for the first group of people. I hope you guys liked it. Please do hit the like button. Thank you. Second group of people who have chosen sunstone as the choice of crystal. Please put your question in your mind and your answer is... Your answer is a no also. The first group also had a no. You've been having arguments. I think you were frustrated or you were just thinking why everything is happening in spite of knowing that, where you headed. And if people have asked this about their financial success, maybe right now it's just not working for you. The answer is a no. Let's see what the angels have to say for you. Okay, the angel message is very beautiful. Number 6 has come, which is of Venus, luxury, money. Hold your head up high and know the unicorns are supporting you. So this card usually says, the angels are going to give you strength, calmness, and the leadership that you already have. You just need to trust and don't fall apart because there are a lot of people who are looking ahead of you. Or looking up to you, to follow your lead. So don't just be in that poised state. That's why it says dignity. Maintain your dignity no matter where you are in life and whatever is happening to you. A lot of people are dependent on you right now. Angels are also trying to say, look for a sign. Now, usually signs means, a butterfly, the numbers that you see, when we see the number on the clock, on the watch, on our phones, and, in the back the car, if you're driving, if you're seeing it on a billboard somewhere, anything that is giving you a sign, that means you're in synchronicity of the universe. Things will happen even if there are delays. Just trust the signs. Now, also the angels are saying, welcome the new. That means if something is not happening right now, you can change your intentions, you can change your goals. It's never too late. No matter what happens, you can start afresh every single day. So just try to welcome the new changes that are going to be happening in your life now. All the best. Third group of people who have chosen Labradorite as the choice of crystal. Please put a question in your mind, and your answer is thankfully a yes. I've been giving no to the first two groups. Your answer has come a yes. Something has ended definitely, or something needs to end if you want financial success or abundance. You need to approach your life with a lot of care. Yes, nobody knows the future, but you need to trust and move on. I hope this is making sense, but your answer is coming a yes. Let's see what the angels have to say. Wow. Your angel card has come off future. Now your tarot makes sense. Let go of the past and move forward. Future. Simple. If you want your things to be working for you, if you want your prayers to be working, you need to let go of whatever is holding you back. It could be mental exhaustion, anxiety, a relationship, a friendship, anything that is holding you back. Even for that matter, people who are asking about their jobs. If something is making you uneasy, it's time to move on. Angels are saying wait. This means wait and think what you need to let go. What should you prioritize? There should be a list of your priorities where you should be thinking that this is what I want. Don't just jump onto things. Wait, stop, think, prioritize, and then move ahead and think about what you need to let go of. Angels are saying end of an era. This means definitely now, with whatever the tarot also said, that something has come to an end. You need to acknowledge that. Don't try to move forward. Hi, Snowy. There's my street dog. He's just come in the room. Just a minute. I need to finish this video. So, whatever is happening with you, wait, Snowy, wait. Whatever is happening with you has come to an end. Now you need to acknowledge that. Don't try to drag it forward. If you want abundance, if you want to be happy, you need to let go and start afresh. This is it for today's reading. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do hit the like button. There are a lot of views coming on the videos, but nobody, ends up liking it. Maybe you guys don't like it or whatever, but if you do, please, just hardly takes a second to, press the thumbs up button. It really does help. Till the next video, all of you take care. Jai Bhole.